Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to review Pixelide, a new platform where you can design your templates for social media, either it is for social media or YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, book covers, blog post headers. It is exactly same like as Canva we are using, but currently it is a new software in the industry, and currently they are having a lifetime deals on AppSumo. So if you want to purchase this Pixelite software, then you can use the link below in the description for lifetime. And it is an amazing software. I'm going to review all the things, and I'm also designing my graphics using this tool only. I will also explain the what things they are not having in like Canva has, as they are new in the industry, but they are including all kind of features in this application, so you can easily design your all the graphics. The best thing about this platform is it is very easy to use, it is very easy to navigate. As you can see, this is the and at the home page, and it's exactly look like Canva. And here you have all kind of formats like social media, Facebook post, Facebook story, Facebook cover, Facebook group cover, Instagram post, Instagram story, Facebook ad, Instagram ad, Twitter ad, LinkedIn, Pinterest pin, content marketing, YouTube channel art, YouTube and screen. You can see these are the beautiful YouTube and screens, YouTube thumbnails, blog feature images, ebook covers, Amazon Kindle, voted cover, email header, SoundCloud, podcast cover, Eastay banner, Patron banner, all online streaming switch panel, Twitch banner, and all that, and Twitch profile banner. So, and they are also adding other things. The other important thing about this platform is that they have an background remover tool where you can remove the background of any image using their AI technology. So just you have to just put your this photo here, and then you can simply remove the background of the image. The another important thing is that they have illustrations. You can use illustration on your platform wherever you want to use. You can easily download it, or you can edit it. It is very easy and simple to use these illustration on your website, on your YouTube channel, social media, and whatever platform you are using. So currently they have Facebook post. You can see Facebook posts, Facebook cover, profile, story, event, and all that. Then you have Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, YouTube channel, Twitch, blog, headers. You can see all kind of headers, and then ebook covers. So I have designed some of Pinterest using. Let me just show you my designs, what I've designed using this tool. Basically they have uh, different kind of, you can create different kind of workspaces on this tool. So I've created three workspace. One is personal workspace, this is Pinterest workspace, and this is blogging us. It is my website. So here I designed the things related to my websites. So let me just show you a few things. This is blog. This is a custom size 500 versus 500 into 500. This is Pinterest image, again Pinterest, and this is again Pinterest. So let me just show you. It is a beautiful software where you can design your all the templates. So I've designed an Pinterest pin which I'm going to use on this Pinterest for my free ebook. Here you can see it's very simple and easy, and drag and drop to design all the things. You can simply change all the things using this tool. Like here you have delete option, copy. You can log the elements. If you want to log the elements, then you can simply log the elements, and then you can edit other things. That like you have logged some elements, then you can use it. Here there are, then option is unlock the option color. Here you can change the border, shadow, opacity, and then alignments, layer, flip, and all that. Here you have templates just we have in Canva. And the best thing about this tool is that it is on a lifetime deal, and you have not to pay for monthly subscription like you are paying on Canva. Or earlier I was also using Canva for designing the graphics for my social media, website, YouTube channel, and all that. But now I have switched to this platform, and I'm very happy with their services, their tool, and the user experience. So basically how I design the graphics is very much uh, extremely well designed software. Here on the left side, you can see here you have images. They have integrated unslash and then Pixabay, from where you can use the images. They have a huge collection of images using these two platforms. Then here is the text editors, illustration. You can use the illustration on your images. Then mockups. This is the another amazing thing on this Pixelite platform, that they have mockups. Then you have elements. You can use elements on your design using this tool. Then they have icons. You have social media icons and all that uh, icons. Here you can use these icons on your designing. Then they have blend. Here you have blend on default. Add, you can also add from here using this text, small shapes and all that. This is background, this is text, this is shape, and this is shapes, small text. Here there you can see the blends. Then you have you can upload your images on this platform like we upload in Canva. Here you can see I've already uploaded an image. Just simply click on choose file and then upload your images from your local device, like from your computer or laptop. This is, then once your design is ready, then you have to click on download button. Here they have different format to choose from: JPG, PNG transparent, SVG beta, it is in beta, and then web page transparent. These are the amazing, and they are also coming up with a PDF format. Then you can also easily download the PDF format. One thing which I did not like about this platform, that is very frankly, let me just show you my Canva account, which is still my subscription is going on Canva. So once that subscription will be over, I'll completely switch to this Pixelite. I have already purchased the lifetime deal. You can see AppSumo Lifetime Pro subscription, and if you share their normal pricing, let me just show you. Slide. I am on home page. Okay, sorry. Let me just show you how they are pricing if you choose their monthly subscription, because as the tool is new and they are in the new in the industry, so they are running a lifetime deal. Let me just show you the pricing and what are their pricing. It is amazing tool. Here you can see it's a free, like Canva, you can use it free, and their monthly subscription is 7.95 monthly, and you can access all the accessories and all that things. They are giving about the pro plan. So I am a pro plan with a lifetime deal. As I told you that I've got this through AppSumo. Just go to AppSumo. I have given the link in the description, and that is an affiliate link. And if you purchase using that tool, then I'll earn a small amount of commission if you purchase it using my affiliate link. And I'll be happy, more than happy, if you consider purchasing from my affiliate link, because it will not cost you anything extra. So let me just browse and just see that their lifetime deal is running on this AppSumo. Okay, hashtag pro Mapalite. Yes, here you can see Pixelite. Let me, what's hot? It's selling like hot on AppSumo. It has 2.276 star rating, and you can see this, that about this tool, and this best alternative to Canva, PicMonkey, and Bengage. And you can use this tool to design your social media images and everything, all things you can do using this tool. And let me just show you what you will be getting on this lifetime deal. Lifetime access to Pixelite Pro plan. I've already shown you. Pro plan is of 7.9 or something dollar. It is around $8. Then you have to redeem this code within 60 days. All future plan updates. This is one of the best thing which I like, that all the future plan update will be given to you free of cost, and you have to pay only once. Best thing is that they have a 60 days money back guarantee, no matter the season. So you can use the entire platform for next 60 days. And if you do not like their program or their software, then you can ask for refund. Access to templates, premium icons, upload your files, resize, custom fonts, illustration, mockups, And this is limited. Bonus, 5 background removable credit per month per code. So they have a coding system on AppSumo. You must be aware of it. As you can see that if you purchase single code, then you will able to remove 5 backgrounds credit per month per code. But if you purchase more codes, then you have more credits. So here you can see if you are single handedly or you are solopreneur, then you can use the singlepreneur with just 49 USD, and double code is 98 USD, and the multiple code is 147 USD. So you can use 3 codes, then 4 codes. So till 3 codes it's 147, then you can stack up to 245. Then the basic difference is that if you are on single plan, then you can create, then you can only add a one team member, and you have 5 workspace. If you are on double, then you can create 10 workspace, and you have 2 team members. And if you are on multiple, then you can add up to 3 team members and 50 workspace. Other things are similar, and this is the amazing tool. And you can see there's a lot of positive reviews, and after seeing these positive reviews, I purchased this deal, and I am reviewing this software because, as I've told you, that I'm using this software, therefore I'm making this review so that I can share my experience with the platform. So I've got amazing experience with this platform. I have showed you this. This is my personal. I've created so many Pinterest images on this to using this tool on this platform. I've designed other things. Let me just show you my designs. You can simply design all the things like you're designing in Canva or PicMonkey or others. Here you can see I've designed these 2 images using this tool. Then I have another blogging as workspace. I've created a lot of space. I've created 3 space as of now, but I can create a lot of. Here you can see I've created this guide, then I've created this guide, this one, then this one. I've placed it on my this Pinterest. This is for my blog page. Then you can see other things are, this is another images. So ultimately this is an amazing tool if you want to switch from Canva, and if you are fed up paying every month, then it's best time to switch over from Canva to this tool, and it is in a lifetime deal, so you can purchase there is one con which I did not like. This is one issue with the platform that I did not like. Let me just show you. I'm on my Canva account, and Canva, if you have one design, you can create multiple design following that design. Let me just show you both the things. Here is on Canva. Let me just show you. This is one design I've created, Pinterest pin, and here also another Pinterest. This is in Canva, and this is Pixelied, right? Here you have only one image on one page. So if you want to create another image, then you have to open another tab. But in Canva, you have option to create multiple images on the similar page. Just let me just show you. The page is loading. I don't know why this internet is working so worst. So here you can see that you can create multiple images on on similar page. Here you can see I've created one, then second, then third, then fourth, fifth. So I've created so many designs on a single page, and this is the basic difference what I observe from these tool. And here you can create only one image on a page. If you want to create another image, then you have to go back and you have to select another design. This is the con, and I hope they will be coming up with this update soon. Otherwise the tool is awesome. It has multiple features. It has advanced features than Canva, and you can use it for designing things for your website. And they are offering a lifetime deal, so you can purchase it using that link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, and I'll meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.